Deburring is one of the most important processes, what we do here for our quality control. We don't like to have any sharp edges that could possibly damage the gun, so we prefer to do this all by hand. Everything is deburred exactly the same, so that way the consistency of the felt part is identical every time. And as you can see, we have everything separated. You can go with blue, we have red, and then we have our mil-spec hard-coated black. This is our assembly room, where you can see we have the UM3 mounts, and they're all date sensitive. So if you were to actually look at one of the mounts, you can see the serial number. Incorporated into that is the date, so we know when these were manufactured, so we can control any and all material issues or quality control issues. Not only do we assemble the mounts here, we also do all the assembly of the holsters. And as you can see, this is one of our carbon holsters with our Blade Tech attachment. This is a paddle. We have the Tech Lock from Blade Tech and the ASR belt loop. So you can actually get these with any of the Blade Tech attachments. Up here is our trigger guards, which we make. They all have internal engraving, so you actually can see what they fit, so there's no confusion. These are all handmade, so they're exactly the same. We've ended up making a lot of different holsters. We've had customers say, hey, we want to get something else other than your carbon fiber. So we've actually gotten into the Kryptek, into the Realtree camo designs, and for the ladies out there, we have that nice Muddy Girl. The UM Tactical UM Optic is a 6 MOA red dot. It has 5 levels of brightness, and they're produced in the United Kingdom for us, and they take a 2032 watch battery. It has turrets on the top for your elevation, turret on the side for your windage, and quick release to make it easy on and off the gun. It's pretty precise. And I get a feeling this will be a good setup for you.